What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one here is just a random stumble upon. We were looking for a location that I had on my map. Turns out it was a little bit off. But this looks like it's an old barn slash farmhouse, everything like that. It's got all the barns up. Unfortunately, the main house though now seems to be gone. As you can see, they have a lot of stuff still, and even have power tools with the original drills and the batteries still kicking around. You got drawers and drawers of nails. This is their old barn. That's pretty cool. Over here it looks like they have some kind of animal pelts. Or some kind of fur. You even have the original waders, the waist-high waders when you go in the water. Those would be a good idea for some of the locations I want to take you guys to. Get some knee-high waders out there. When I first walked by this place, I saw a couple birds fly out of here and I was like, oh, is there anything else in here? Got all worried and everything. But as you can see, not a whole lot in here. Looks like there's a small hole there, so I'm not going to walk in that direction. But this is just one of the small barns. I just wanted to check this one out. We got one of the big barns back there. And from what I've heard and research I've done on it, it turns out this place is an old dairy farm, essentially. They did a lot of stuff, but dairy, I guess, was their primary thing. They even have a spot to clean out tires and stuff, too. So probably had like a little mechanic shop back here, I'm guessing, as well. It's most likely what it was. You got that barn there, which is caved in on one side. So we're going to work our way around and go to the side of that barn. So we'll fill you in once we get there. Try to creep our way through the bushes. Try not to step in any holes. A lot of these older barns are kind of sketchy. Yeah, just a little room in here. That's pretty much it. Maybe just a little storage room. Of course, got some graffiti on the walls. It's pretty cool. Just between the barns. Yeah, I'm thinking this may have been one of their main parking like for their cars and their truck and all that. Because it looks almost like a little garage. A garage. Then we got the main barn over here, which we'll check out. Work our way through the bush. Let me know what you guys think of these locations. This is just one of the random ones I figured I'd stumble across and figured I might as well check it out. Fortunately, there's no house or anything here, but just an old farmland that all the buildings are here except for the house has been torn down now. There's a fancy graffiti. Spray paint can coming out of a rabbit's stomach. If you look low enough, you can see something else in that picture too, guys. This barn's completely hauled as well, so that's the one I was telling you about. This is the one that I want to check out, because this is the one I believe is their cattle farm. So they had all their cows, they did all their milking and all that kind of stuff. There's conveyor belts, the green conveyor belts. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start out here, check this place out, work our way probably over to the next building. But this area seems to be probably where they pulled up their tractors and worked on all their tractors and their farming equipment. Because you got all these lights up here, there's a lot of them. And the funny thing is, if you guys notice, all the bulbs are still intact, not blown, not broken. And then of course you got all the graffiti on the walls, everything like that. We're gonna work our way into the barn. Pretty cool. It's definitely the first one I've seen like this, where it actually has everything essentially in here. Most of the barns I've ever been to are completely gutted all around. So as you can see, this would have been either cattle, I'm guessing most likely cows, probably not horses. They got pretty much a lot of the stuff still here. Look at this, guys. Old weightlifting equipment. Still sitting around here. That is wicked. Yeah, the old original boxes, the fuse boxes, start and stop, so that probably started the milking pumps and all that kind of stuff. They even have the, of course, the poop troughs. Which we all know what goes down there. There's the doors, which would have been doors to an actual garage shed. Oh yeah, here you go, guys. Just noticed this out of the corner of my eye. Small little feeding areas. They even have all the straw still in here. It's crazy. I'd say this is definitely one of the best ones all around. pretty wicked. But yeah, guys, they got everything here. They got the pipes for all the water for the cows. They got the drainage for the poop slop drop thing. Oh, check that out, guys. There's a ladder going to the upper deck. Probably check that out. Old filing cabinets. Maybe find a head in there or something. There we go. You get the original clock. What time did it stop on? It stopped at 9:03. And as you guys can see, if we look up at the roof, there's a lot of hay hanging down. So I guarantee above us, there's probably piles and piles and piles of hay. Endless amounts. These probably would have been their little chicken coops, I'm guessing, or something like that, because they seem to have chicken wire, or maybe pigs, or sheep, or something like that. Could have been possibly the babies as well, I'm thinking, since they are in here with all the other cows and everything. Yeah, all the old pumps, everything like that. Hey, we'll see what goes over there. Work our way across here. And it seems to be, this is almost like a little nook area. Oh, there you go, guys. This is another small room, very similar to the other one we looked at. So this probably would have been either, actually I don't know exactly what this would have been. Looks like there's a lot of plumbing and stuff in here. Maybe plumbing, yeah, it's hardwood flooring on it, so we're good. Oh, this would have been the main office then, guys. Because there's the window looking into where all the cows would be and everything. So this would have been probably their main office. They even have the original control panel and everything in here. That's pretty cool. Got a lot of stuff in here. It's actually a pretty cool location. I'm guessing that you guys will probably see if they do locate it and figure out where it is. Probably be some new videos by YouTubers coming up in here. Just like most locations that get found. And then eventually they get turned down pretty quick after that. But what we're gonna do, guys, we'll work our way up to, or at least that ladder. I'm curious to see what's up in this second deck. Because that appears to be the only way to get even up. There's no other way to get up, no other way to get down. Wow, look at that. That's a big barn. All the way back over there. So this definitely would have been where they just kept all their hay and just everything else, grain, hay, probably all the feed for the cows and everything would have all been kept in here. Look at that, even have the original belts on top, still way up there on the roof. This place is actually in pretty good condition, surprising how old it is, or considering how old it is. And then it goes way back that way. That is pretty cool. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not going to be going up here just for the fact that from underneath a lot of the boards are starting to come down and the nails are popping out, so I don't want to risk going through the floorboards. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this location. Drop a like on the video if you guys do enjoy it. Get ready for next video. We'll be checking out a big abandoned house. And I will see you guys in the next one. Later.